Join me as I challenge myself to transform ordinary photos into unforgettable masterpieces using this magical Lightroom preset. But first of all, a prayer: if you like my content, please like it, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell. Thank you. Today I want to share with you a breakthrough in the world of photo editing. It's a magical Lightroom preset that is about to take your photos to the next level, making them truly unforgettable. I think we've all been there. We stare at our photos trying to figure out why they're not as beautiful as we imagined them to be. We add a filter, we change the exposure and we adjust the contrast, but somehow it still doesn't work. We spend hours scrolling through tutorials, trying to learn the secrets of the professionals, but it doesn't work. And honestly, it can get really frustrating. I've faced this difficulty myself, spending hours editing a single photo, only to end up with something that's just so-so. It's like I know there's potential in that image, but I just can't bring it out. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. Many of us struggle to find the perfect balance of colors, contrast, and overall aesthetics. What if I told you there was a way to avoid all that frustration and go straight to the good stuff? What if I showed you a magical Lightroom preset that can take your photos from ordinary to extraordinary with just a few clicks? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. So, let's dive in and explore this incredible preset. First of all, it's incredibly easy to use. Just apply it to your photo and it instantly improves the colors, contrast, and overall look of the image. It's like having a team of expert editors working on your photo behind the scenes. The preset is also highly customizable, so you can tweak all the parameters in Lightroom after applying it to suit your personal style and the specific look you're going for. Whether you're into bright, bold colors or soft, delicate tones, this preset has you covered. And the best part, it's not limited to just one genre or specific type of photography. It works wonders on almost any photo. Your finishing editing can start now and every time from a starting point that is already extremely interesting. In this video I show you some before and after comparisons, and you can see how dramatic the transformation can be. These photos seem rather mediocre on their own. But once the preset is applied, it's as if they're completely new images. The colors are more vibrant, the contrast is more defined and the overall mood of the photo is completely different. These photos were lacking a bit of oomph, but once I applied the preset, it's like they came to life. The colors are more saturated, the shadows are more defined, and the overall aesthetic is much more appealing. And the best part, it only took a few clicks to achieve this look. Another positive aspect of this preset is that it doesn't limit itself to photos that are already good enough. It can transform even the most ordinary images into something truly remarkable. Original photos that are rather boring, once the preset is applied, are like completely different images. The colors are more vivid, the contrast is more defined and the overall atmosphere of the photo is much more engaging. In conclusion, this magical Lightroom preset is a total game changer for anyone who wants to improve their photography skills. It's easy to use, and produces incredible results that can then be adjusted at will with the standard Lightroom tools. Whether you're an experienced professional or just starting out, this preset is definitely worth a try. So, what are some of your favorite editing tips and tricks? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more photography secrets, be sure to watch the other videos I'll be posting soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.